Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the news from different continents on the BBC News application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the home page, and click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the more topics button you can find the world, Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, Middle East, Latin America and other side of the world, and just select one and step on it. And you can find news from the Europe. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.